Customers evaluate quality firsthand. Guidance supports confident choices. Organization keeps production flowing. Components advance to assembly. Elastic supports fit and flexibility. Strength is built into every seam. Each seam defines structure and comfort. Production advances to automation. Shape confirms readiness. Color precision maintains brand identity. The quality feels comfortable, breathable, and well finished.
Every garment begins with the right fabric. Precision starts at the source.
Quality is verified before production begins. Color control ensures consistency. Support materials define comfort and fit.
The production journey moves forward.
Safety checks protect material quality.
Raw materials travel toward transformation. Transportation links sourcing to production.
Every kilometer moves materials closer to manufacturing.
Industry zones signal arrival.
The factory awaits its materials. Raw materials officially enter production space. Precision matters at every step. Production is ready to begin.
This is where materials become finished garments.
Each day begins with preparation.
A skilled workforce powers production. Clean practices ensure quality.
Materials move into production.
Production begins with careful setup. Precision starts the process. The factory comes to life. Accurate layout defines each component. Detail work refines each piece. Inspection ensures consistency before cutting. Alignment prepares for precision cutting.
Technology delivers clean, repeatable cuts. Organization keeps production flowing.
Components advance to assembly. Assembly begins with skilled hands. Consistency matters in every piece. Elastic supports fit and flexibility. Strength is built into every seam.
Each seam defines structure and comfort.
Details complete the design. Form is checked before finishing. Assembly moves toward completion. Only approved pieces move forward.
Clean edges define comfort.
Finishing refines the final look.
Attention to detail matters.
Production advances to automation. Color balance is carefully maintained.
Shape confirms readiness. Shape confirmed readiness. Steam sets the final form.
Digital tracking ensures accuracy. Automation hands off to final precision. Workflow remains continuous.
Smart systems organize production.
Automation supports inventory control.
Technology helps maintain standards.
Automation increases speed and consistency.
Precision folding prepares each item. Seams and edges define final comfort. Surface uniformity ensures premium quality.
Precision ensures every item meets standards.
Color precision maintains brand identity. Proper labeling supports traceability. Elastic performance is confirmed before packing.
Batch organization keeps production efficient.
Precision work flows directly into packaging.
Every piece undergoes careful quality checks. Seams are checked for durability. Fabric consistency ensures premium feel.
Quality clearance leads to the next stage.
Elasticity and flexibility are verified.
Labels and branding are double-checked.
Documentation keeps every batch traceable.
Only fully approved items continue to packaging.
Packaging protects the finished product. Brand identity travels with every piece. Final checks ensure safe delivery. Products are organized for shipping. Finished goods are prepared for storage.
Controlled storage maintains quality.
Distribution connects factory to market.
Production completes its journey. The journey continues at the retail shelf.
Presentation reflects product care.
Choice begins with clear display. Customers evaluate quality firsthand. Guidance supports confident choices.
The product reaches its owner.
The quality feels comfortable, breathable, and well finished.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.